If you could send a short video highlighting your bath, both ends. Start with the bath panel, please. Both ends. Up the wall. Across the back wall. And back down to the bath. Run the tap so that you get an idea of the water pressure. Clear picture of the fuse board, highlighting the fuses. For example, we've got B32 mini circuit breakers here, look. On this particular installation we have a B32 on the shower, which is marked up there, as you can see. Shower. Also a picture of the full cabinet, all the contents of the cabinet. Can you also state if you're on the ground floor, the first floor or the second floor? Obviously we need to know exactly where the bathroom is, which